Wow, Narayan. I see you building this traffic light control system. So can you take us through the procedures and technique that you applied to build this traffic light system, please, man?
Yeah, but well, hi, this is Ryan. I just like to quickly brief you that how does traffic light works, and then I did for uni project. So anyway, first of all, I just designed a PLC program in the computer, which is basically controlled from the PLC program to the traffic light. So what I did here quickly is I can show you here quickly if you guys want to learn, and then I just say. I can show you like what I did, like horizontal red and horizontal red, and then just like T0, T1, whatever. I just did. I just wanna quickly scroll, and then I'm gonna quickly show you how did I do that.
Oh, is that like setting the timing for red light, green light in here?
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah,
Oh,
absolutely.
okay.
Everything, whatever you want to do, you have to design the program. That's how long you want to turn on the red light, how long you want to turn on the amber light, how long you want to turn on the green light, horizontal way and then vertical ways. So everything how you want. Actually, you first design how you want and then convert to that PLC.
Is that right? Can you just show us what's your setting like in here, like?
Okay, what I did, like my project was a traffic light controller with a sensor. So
Yeah.
what I make, I have like vertical sensor and horizontal sensor. So what the sensor behind is that like just if someone, let's say horizontal line has a loss of traffic flowing that way, and then but vertical doesn't have that much traffic. So that's the reason sensor is very good to follow the traffic light quickly. So what I did here, let's press. This is the sensor. That's the red button here. It's a sensor. Which is vertical sensor, and then let's say this is the horizontal sensor. So horizontal now is not much car. So vertical flowing that way. So when the car coming here, and it's like let's say sensor there, right? Yeah. When the car coming here, and then it will start changing the light from green to amber to red. So now vertical light is changing. Now I need both of them as red, and then come back to the horizontal side. So now again, if vertical side doesn't have the car, so sensor doesn't detect the car, then it will stay longer. So if car coming, and then just say the sensor moving the car, let's say, and then it start again changing because of the sensor tell that car coming there. So now action start within 5 seconds. So both way that's a traffic light works. Anyway, I don't have much time to explain all the things, but anyway, I just quickly brief you how did I build. First I designed the program, and then I just connect program to the PLC. We need a PLC, so I just bought the PLC myself for my uni staff. Let's see, it is quite dangerous to show you like with the power and then do here. But anyway, that's my PLC inside there. Right?
Oh, yep.
Yeah. So which is now I need to turn off the power, otherwise I might very risky. So it's better to turn off the power. Okay, just disconnect the power. Now this light is not working, right? All the power's off. So now shift it to show you quickly inside. Okay.
Wow.
That's the wire what I did.
Oh my God.
Like I have like 36 light, and then each light has the 2 wires. Right? So anyway, it's just correct. And then now it's a PLC, which is that's the input side, and then this is the output side. I have 8 input and then 5 output. So only because of that I can make it that's traffic light. So now quickly I show you inside how is it. So let's see.
In the real world, like so all those wiring things goes underground and then coming through this pole like this.
Absolutely, exactly what I did here. Have a look here. that's the, let's say, pole.
Yeah.
It's all the wire going through the poles,
Yeah.
and then it's coming to the light, right?
Okay.
So it all goes basically all goes in the PLC. Have a look here. I show you quickly. What I did, the for safety reason, I need to put in a box.
Yeah.
So that's a PLC, right?
Okay.
So when you connect, there is an input and output.
Yep.
So input side and output side, you have a power
Yeah.
coming from there, and then you have this COM code, which is cable FX mini cable.
Yeah.
That cable actually is connected to the PLC to the computer. So which program, whatever
Yeah.
you write here,
Yeah. Yeah.
you can transfer from computer to PLC, right?
Yeah.
So what I did, I just create my program and then I just transfer here. So whatever, as soon as I transfer here, it will stay until you don't change it, right?
Okay.
So that program stay in the PLC. So it will keep flowing like years and years.
Yeah. Yeah.
Same program.
Yep.
Like traffic light system is outside the wall is the same. So now I just connect from output to each, like let's say here, I want to use battery for my switch.
Yeah.
If what's the program behind it is if you give the input power and then it's come output, right? So whatever input I have a sensor,
Yeah.
sensor,
Yeah.
and then output I have a light.
Yeah.
So all individually I wire them up, and then what I did, so quickly, very important things. If you want to use LED light, which is 3.2 volt
Yeah.
capacity, and then but my power is here 240,
Yeah.
and then my power here is 9 volt. In the back.
Okay. Yeah.
Oh, so no, sorry, it's 6 volt.
Yeah.
It's 4 battery. So 6 volts can control 9 volt, 3.2 volt. So it will definitely blow up the LED light. So in that region, what I did, I put the resistor
Wow.
in the middle.
Yeah.
So that's a positive and negative LED light.
Yeah.
So that's the
That
resistor
means
here.
like
And
you
then
have to put so many resistor around every light
yeah,
has got
absolutely.
resistor.
36 light has
Yeah.
all resistor here. So
Oh my god.
and then also it is not that hard, but it is quite it's taking lots of times because each and every resistor
Yeah.
you have to solder
Yeah.
and then like join with the LED light and the wire. So
Okay.
in the
Can you
middle-
show us how to soldering using that your
basically,
soldering
yeah.
things?
This is called soldering iron.
Yeah.
Right? That's called solder.
Yeah.
So that's connect there.
Yeah.
Power comings and then just put this together.
Yeah.
Let's say that, and then it goes to solder with the light each LED light to a resistor,
Yeah.
and then connect to the wire. Wire has to be soldered, everything. It took me like 2 days to build all that. It's
Wow.
imagine like every single light has the 3 times, 1 time, 2 times, 3 times soldering. So
Yeah,
it's
yeah.
take a lot of times. Anyway, when you have patience, you will do it absolutely perfect. So what I did, everything here, I built it with sensor, and then I make myself all the things standing, and then like a stand for PLC and for the safety regions, and yeah, so it's
Awesome.
working perfectly. So that's the way. But if you want to learn to program PLC program, which is basically now this control like lots of machines and all sort of things from the PLC,
Yeah.
so, which is really good. And then I did really hard working with the PLC programming, just right by first start from one light, how it just works. If I
Yeah.
want to turn on the like a 2 light,
Yeah.
A and B, it's I have to do like a normally closed contract, the normally open contract, and then a coil, and then give the like the basic is there like input, and then you have a like processor in the PLC which is inside here,
Yeah.
and then you have an output. When the processor say, okay, that's happened, I want to do this,
Yeah.
and then accordingly it's work perfect.
Wow.
So anyways, guys,
Can
that's the way.
you Narayan, can we show like putting that back and then starting from the plugging in like in the real world, like just maybe put that back, and I'll turn this light off so that people can see it clearly what's going on.
No, I mean I have to first plug in first the power,
Okay.
and then I have to put that back in before I plug in. So
Yeah.
I put this one in on the
Yeah.
top in, so it's a safety for
Wow.
safety. And,
It looks
like
so
trading.
good, like
And then
like in a real.
you just connect the power.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
I already programmed, so
Yeah.
in the PLC, it's
Yeah.
already on, right?
Yep.
So now
Yeah.
my project was that. not to cycle light all the time,
Yeah.
because that's the sensor.
Yeah.
The
Wow.
advantage is
Wow, it's working
that-
awesome, eh?
yeah, the advantage is that if some line is quite road,
Yeah.
it's some lines, some road could be busy. So
Yeah.
busy road, what's it's meaning that is busy road has green light, right?
Yeah.
Until any car not move from here. Like
Yeah.
let's say this is a particle. If a particle has a red,
Yeah.
horizontal has green, right?
Yep. Yep.
So accordingly, I just make the programs
Yeah.
that I want particle light, the red,
Yeah.
and horizontal I want a green, which is here, horizontal green.
Yeah.
And if there is no any action between those time, and the sensor doesn't detect the car, anything,
Yeah.
so keep horizontal, keep flowing like
Yep.
green, green, green.
Yeah.
If you just have a look, if I designed here for only 15-minute timing, 15
Yeah.
seconds, sorry,
15 seconds. Yeah.
15-second green, 15-second amber, 15-second red.
Yep.
And then in the meantime, what I want to do, like before reduce the accident, I just
Yeah.
whole light. I wanted some time delay to all the light are red.
Yep.
And then it start changing again. So let's say if the sensor here, right? This is
Yep.
the button is sensor.
Yep.
If the
Red
car
button,
coming,
yeah.
if the car coming,
Yeah.
which is this line is flowing, but this car come
Yeah.
now it's start change because of the sensor.
Yep.
See, it's automatic change because of the
Wow. Red. Red light.
so now all the light is red because you need something time delay between those times.
Okay. Now this side is green, isn't it?
Yeah, this side is green now, which is vertical.
Yeah.
Vertical line
So
green.
is that like now again it's gonna turn into amber light? Or?
No, because until
Yeah.
until any car comes here.
Yeah.
If nothing car here,
Yeah.
car not come, that's light keep going.
Oh,
Right?
the same way like before.
Yeah, same way before. It's
Awesome.
vertical and horizontal.
Yeah.
So let's see if let's say a car here.
Yeah.
If the car here is sensor detect,
Yeah.
and then it will start changing. So that's
That's
a reason behind. See see
Okay,
become
okay.
amber,
Yeah.
still red.
Yep.
Become red.
Yeah.
When has to be red all together because otherwise can be accident.
Yep.
So now I have to have a green light.
Wow. Now
Horizontal.
awesome.
That's the way.
Wow.
I did the project.
That's awesome.
Anyways, thanks guys. I've enjoyed.
Thank you very much for your time and showing us great things.
Thanks.
Awesome.
Thank you. Have a quick look and then just you can design also whatever you want.
Good job, man.
Yeah.